Good morning, guys! So, welcome back to another vlog. Actually, ngayon, I'm preparing yung Milo lang namin ni Ethan. Ayun, so naputol kasi yung vlog kanina. So, we're eating another bread from Paul Calvin. So, makikita ninyo to sa... I'm not sure kung meron silang ibang store or branch or whatever. Pero, nabili namin to sa Sweet Harmony Gardens, dun mismo sa loob ng events place. Ang sarap niya, guys. Ito yung, nag-slice lang ako kasi ganito siya kalaki. Ayan. And, mas malaki pa siya dyan kanina. Because, of course, kumain yung husband ko. So, yun. Smells like pizza talaga. Tapos, may, ayan siya, oh. May mga salami-salami siya, if you can see it. So, yun. Breakfast tayo, guys. Ethan, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm getting a massage from Ethan. What do you call that massage? Ow! Ow! What are you gonna do? What? What's that?
Massaging.
Huh? Massage mommy the right way. Go.
You mean the...
Go! Massage mommy. Yan. Dan. Not like that. Like Ate Memay. She's not doing that.
I'm doing it.
Massage mommy.
But
like Ate Memay.
But you said but it's ouchy.
No, not my pet. This one.
Okay.
Don't do that. Ah! What do you call that? The boat massage?
Wait, I call it the jump massage.
The what?
The jump massage.
What?
This is how you massage.
Oh.
This is how you massage. First, you do like this, hold your feet, two of them,
And then
you will go whoa.
Whoa! Ouch. Gising na si Ethan. Nakatulog siya. How was your sleep?
Good.
Okay, so nakaligo na rin ako and all that. Medyo hinayaan ko lang muna siya mag-iPad ng konting-konti. And now we're off to SM kasi kahapon tinamad kami. So, ngayon, hindi na kailangan mag-procrastinate. I need to buy a new pair of glasses para hindi na sasakit yung ulo ko. Yeah, so, come with us. Bibili tayo ng glasses today. And, doon na rin kami. Aray ko, anak! Doon na rin kami magme-merienda ni Ethan. So, I'll see you guys later at SM. Aray! Ouch, mommy!
Warm.
Oh, the Kung Fu?
Dad is making the comfort feel so warm.
Yeah.
And mine.
Oh, ayan na. Oh, you say hi, oh.
Hi!
We're going to Lola right now. Try namin kung nandun yung Lola ni Ethan. Para sama namin siya sa SM.
This is my friend. yun? This is my friend.
Friends.
Yeah, they helping me to kill all zombies.
Okay, can you play nga?
But this is number 1, this is number 2.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's one.
Game.
Okay, ma'am, kailangan tumingin sa sahig.
Okay.
So, tingin ka sa floor. Normal lang ba yung floor? Compare mo pag nilagay ko to.
Mas nakikita ko yung...
Pero hindi po ba elevated or lumalim yung sahig?
Hindi naman.
Compare mo dito.
Parang mas nag-magnify lang siya ng konti.
Isa pa, mama, compare mo first lens, second lens.
Parang wala namang nagbago.
Compare mo naman 1 or number 2.
Ba't ganun? Parang wala namang nagbago.
So, parehong comfortable. Ngayon po, yan po yung first lens. Tingin ka sa sahig. First lens or second lens.
Nalalabuan ako dito. Or baka hindi lang malinis yung lens.
Sige ma'am. First lens or second lens. Hindi ba umangat or
Hindi
lumalim?
naman,
Wala
pero
namang kaibahan.
parang-
Ma'am, tingin ka sa malayo.
Nalalabuan lang ako.
Compare mo. Pag tinanggal ko,
Versus...
ma'am, both eyes, pwede pong pakilakan.
Ay, sorry ko. Static ako.
Ma'am, tingin ka sa floor. Normal lang ba yung sahig? Hindi ba siya nakaangat?
Parang nakaangat siya.
Sige po.
Anong name mo, ma'am?
Reyna po.
Regina. Thank you.
Sige po.
Ayun. So, hinihintay ko na lang na ilabas yung glasses ko. Tapos nakabili din kami ng polarized sunglasses para kay Ethan. Nabili namin siya ng 780 lang. So, I think yung binayaran ko lahat is 3,270. So, sa akin na yun. Kaya meron pa kay Ethan. So, I think it's pretty affordable naman. So, nandito pala ako ngayon sa EO, dito sa SMEs Ortigas. Dito ako kumuha ng bago kong eyeglasses. And mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung eyeglasses ko. Ito yung bago kong glasses. So, mas pinili ko siya over dun sa mango kasi na gagaanan ako dun sa mango. Ito naman yung kay Ethan. Ayan yung, hindi namin na free pero sobrang na-discount kami dyan kasi 2.6 ba to, Daddy? Regular price. Nakuha lang namin siya ng 780 kasi nga dahil dito sa glasses ko. So, ay, oo, sige. Wala na. Yun. So, yan. Ito yung bago kong glasses. Tapos, dapat transition glasses ako. Pero, nirecommend ako na wag na lang. Kasi, nga naman, sa trabaho ko, pag nagme-makeup ako, once na matamaan lang or makasense lang yung lens ng UV ray or ng araw or something like that, magta-transition na siya. Magiging gray na siya. So, yun. Which is hindi ko kailangan. So, regular multi-coated lens lang yung meron ako ngayon. Ayan. Tapos si Ethan, eto. Ganda. What?
I want to watch Kung Fu.
Karate Kid?
Yeah, the girl, the one.
It's not a girl, it's a boy.
No, the daddy has a girl.
No, it's a boy. The kid is a boy. His name is Jaden Smith.
Is that the name of the girl?
The boy! He's not a girl, he's a boy. He has long hair, like Rodney, but he's a boy. Oh, still confused?
Diba, the daddy help a mommy with a kid, the girl kid.
He's not a girl! He's a boy! Kulit! Dali, halika dito.
Okay, it's a boy.
Okay, oh, it's a boy.
Okay, it's a girl and a boy.
With long hair, like Rodney.
No,
your classmate.
the one gone.
Where? There you are. Yan. I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. Thank you! Thank you and see you tomorrow. Bye! Say bye. Bye!
This is how you massage. This is how you massage. First, you hold your feet, two of them, and then you hold that. That's how you massage. It's the jump massage. That's massage. That's how you
Massage. No! Uy! No! You might hurt Daddy.
Massage is again.
Oh, massage. Like Ate Memay. No, not like that. Like Ate Memay. Go. Go.
That is better. Ouch. Okay.
Not like that. Yan. Ganyan. Like Ate Memay. What are you doing?